Gates open, they're up and racing. Maypan draws for your lead, moving up Deceptions. In between runners comes Formal and 3, then racing in 4 Trinity Moon. Santeria is racing in Peep, and Getting Better is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900 with Maypan in command by about 3 lengths. Deception is in second, then racing now in third Santeria. Down in 4 Trinity Moon, second last Formal and 3, and Getting Better is still running at the tail of the field. Rounding at the last 600, Maypan still leading the field. Deceptions now getting closer in second together with Santeria. Formal and 3 once again catching the fourth spot by the rail. Trinity Moon and Getting Better is still in behind them as they race at the final corner. 2 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Deceptions running on the outside. Santeria is by the rail. Then closing in on the outside is Formal and 3. Maypan drops back in fourth with the last 150 more to run. We have Santeria. Deceptions is on the outside. Santeria. Deception is on the outside. But it's still Santeria over Deceptions. Formal and 3. Maypan, Getting Better, and Trinity Moon comes in last.